Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and I just came from the Trendy Tree warehouse, and I brought out a few items that I have to photograph before I can list them on the website. So I thought I would go ahead and show you what this wreath looks like. This is a new 24-inch orange pine wreath that'll be great for Halloween or even in the fall. But I wanted to show you what they look like. Excuse me. When you buy one and it comes to you, it's going to look like this. I mean, this is what it's going to look like coming out of the box. And when you fluff it, it looks like this. We have it in the orange, the black, and then there's an evergreen. So I just wanted to show you how I fluff this, kind of the right way to fluff a wreath. So you take your wreath and you start pulling. You start on the outside and just pull a couple of limbs to the outside, all the way out. If you don't kind of touch every limb and straighten it out, you won't get that look. You won't get that nice overall finished look. So just take a limb, pull the outside edge out. Just go all the way around the wreath doing that. And when you get to a twist that's curled up like that, straighten it out. I mean, these are packed tightly in boxes. Of course, these come from China. I know there's a lot of issues, like right now, people are not necessarily wanting to buy things from China. And, you know, as we manufacture more products in the USA, that will get better. At Trendy Tree, we're always looking for items that are made in the USA. And if you check on our website, you'll see a collection that says Made in the USA. So that's a lot of our products, of course, come from China. A lot come from Korea, Taiwan. A lot of the ribbon comes from Taiwan. A lot of mesh, I think, comes from Korea. I don't know, which products come from where. We do have a lot of glass ornaments. We have glass ornaments that are made in Germany. We have some that are made in Poland, and we have some that are made in China. But just work all the way around your wreath, getting that limb pulled out to the outer edge. Okay, now once you've done that, then I like to kind of regroup, and I start pulling one up to kind of be straight up in the middle. And you can do it all at one time, as far as you want to put a limb to the inside, a limb straight up in the middle, and a limb to the outside. So you can do it either way. I mean, you can do your outside. It's just a little bit easier to kind of keep it symmetrical if you work on one section at a time. So what I'm doing now is pulling up a twist straight up in the middle. I'm just going to go all the way around, straighten out any curved ones. But if you don't do this before you ever start working on your wreath, you'll never be satisfied with how it looks. And of course, when you take your wreaths down and you use them year after year, and we're not supposed to store decorations in the attic, we all do. But refluff them before you ever start to hang them back, on your windows or doors again. So pull that limb straight up. You may have some more that you need to put out to the outside. There's a lot of tips on this wreath, so it's really full. I love Halloween decorations. So, all right, so now I've kind of gotten limbs pulled straight up to the middle, and see how much better it's looking. And now I'm going to take a layer, and I'm going to pull a layer to the inside of the wreath, and just keep working all the way around. And when I do this, I'll find some more limbs that I need to pull up to the middle, straight up. But I figured since I had to fluff these out to photograph them, I'd just show you how we do that. And it helps you to know, when you get your wreath in the box like that, I mean, it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be all squished down. So just work all the way around it. You want to just about handle each twist, each little limb. Straighten those out. Any that are curved, straighten them out, or any of them that are tangled up. And once you do that, then you're kind of ready to start decorating your wreath, whatever you're going to put on it, whether it just be a bow or ornaments or florals. But you'll be much better satisfied with it if you work on it. Take 5 minutes to work on it first. Get everything untangled, smoothed out. Now then, that looks much better. Much better. Compare this to this. Okay? So these will be on the website. I'll be working on those. I got to get some images and I'll get them on the website. And I hope you'll visit us at trendytree.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.